Updating your payment information on Uber is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the account settings, look for the Payment or Payment Method option. Tap on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you want to update or add a new one. If updating, enter the new card details or payment information is required. If adding a new method, follow the prompts to input the necessary information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated payment information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button and tap it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Uber. Regularly checking your payment methods ensures a smooth experience when using the app.